Next slide, please.
Okay. Sounds like boomerang.
Boomerang? Nothing sounds like boomerang except boomerang!
No. I meant to say doesn't sound like boomerang.
That's everything!
That's it. Sounds like everything.
What sounds like everything?
The thing. Up on the thing. Behind you.
Ambient noise. Sonic running. I don't know.
It's right behind you. Why didn't you just look?
You guys, it's a violation of rules. You can't look. So, you know, we're going to have to continue on, and that's disqualified that round. So let's go on to the next one.
Why did you tell me to do that?
Why did you do it?
Let's keep moving.
All right, let's keep moving. Here's the next slide.
Jonah.
Collect them all.
Sonic toys.
No. Makes a noise. A sort of noise, like.
Badger with his head caught in a can of dog food.
Yes.
Yes?
No, that's not it. Keep going.
Okay, sorry. No. I get confused by all the words sometimes.
Give me another clue.
I'm in my burrow a lot, and sometimes days go by without me talking to anyone.
Clue. Give me a clue, Blasto.
Who's gonna blast me?
It's a figure of speech.
Okay, I want this to be the thing he said. A badger with its head caught in a can of dog food.
Sorry, Sticks. Time is almost up.
I've never tried dog food. Is it good?
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. You're 0 for 3. But I think we still have time to turn her around. So let's try to go on to the next slide.